Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram business account. Now, before we proceed or dive into that, you need to understand that Instagram has two types of accounts. Now, the number one account, we call it the personal account, and the number two, we call it the business account. Now, the personal account is an individual account for people who wants to share their content to friends and family, while the business account is a type of account for company, brand, organization looking to promote their work and sell their product, also reach wider audience. In business account, it has a professional tools features that is not available in the personal account. Now, before you go into that, now we have to ask ourselves a question: why is it important that we need to connect our Facebook page to our Instagram? Now, once you connect these both platforms together, it enables you to run ads smoothly for both Instagram and Facebook. The number two is that it enables you to schedule your posts and reads easily. Now, the third one is that it enables you to see comments, messages, and insights all together. With that, you will be able to understand how your product or the campaign that you run is performing very well. You having an insight on that. Now, the fourth one is that it enables you to manage these both platforms together without stressing yourself going to this platform and going to this platform to look how it's performing. So that is it. Now let us dive in, and my name is Augustine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the video, and let us go to the other place and do this together. To connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account, just simply go to your Instagram, click on profile under here, edit profile, scroll down and click on page. Here you see connect or create. Go ahead and click on continue. Here say connect or create a Facebook page. Go ahead and click on continue, then click on login Facebook. Here you just, depending on the Facebook page you want to connect, ensure that you have already signed in that Facebook account to your mobile phone before proceeding to this step. Now go ahead and click on continue. Now, from what you can see here, it appears that this one that are grayed out appears that are connected to an Instagram account already. If you can see two here, they're not connected as well. So I want to connect this homework to this Instagram account. So what I just do, I just select it and click on connect. As you can see, it has automatically connected to the Facebook page that is already on account. Now let me show you another way on how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram. Let me go back here. So with this, you'll be able to run a promotion easily without having any issue at all. Now let's just go around it before going to Facebook, show you another way on how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Now come here, boost post. So keep in mind that this account is not a personal account, is a business account. So this is the error message we are getting. Let me go back and do the same thing as well. Let me select this. If the same error is okay, you can't create manage account has enabled two-factor authentication. So now this issue is as a result of having not having authentication, two-factor authentication enabled. So once we go ahead and enable two-factor authentication, this issue will be resolved. So let's do this together. Right now I have to go back here, cancel this. Let me enable two-factor authenticator on this. Go back onto this straight line. Then I'll have to scroll here, come to account center here. Then I'll have to select personal and security, click on it. Two-factor authentication, I'll just go ahead. This is it. Come here. Then I enable. You can choose the app, or you can choose WhatsApp or XMS. So I prefer app as a result of getting the code so quick. So why for the SMS, most times it gets delayed, not receiving the code immediately. Even though I get the code immediately, I won't be able to get the code again after, let me say, past 20 or 30 minutes before I can get another code from Instagram. So I prefer using the app. So I'll select the app, then click next. I have to copy this code here, then go back. Ensure that you have authenticator. Then you can have this Duo Mobile, or you can use this other one as well. Let me show you. You can use authenticator, this from Microsoft. So what I just need to do is here, I'll just go back here and use this one and click on add. Here I will type in Instagram. This is Instagram. I want to use it for Instagram. Then I'll just go ahead and put in that code I copy here. click next, then give it a name. I'll just give it OG, then underscore, then so I'm renaming it based on the Instagram username that is on it to enable me to identify it whenever I just want to get the code. Just click on save. I'll go ahead and go back, minimize here. It repeats the same thing, just come back here because the phone is already on refresh, so it does have to wait time. Any moment it's refresh. Come back here, security, then here select this as well. If yours is not on a refresh, you are not going to experience this, but if your mobile phone on a refresh to give you the latest update on the feed, you are going to experience this particular thing that I'm doing here. So just simply follow this process, click on next, then click next, then go back here, come here, copy the code, come here, then I'll have to paste and click on done. So we are good to go. So that is it. Now let's go back to run our promotion to see. Come here, click boost. As you can see, so we have resolved this common issue that if you want to run ad, you start saying this. If your mobile phone is not authenticated, you are going to experience this issue I just walk you through right now. So without wasting time, let's go back to use the different method by using Facebook page to connect to our Instagram. Cancel this, cancel. So let's go to our Facebook. Then I've already logged in the Facebook page here already. Simply just go to the menu from what you can see here. Come here, then I will have to come to here, click on the profile here already. Then here I have to scroll down, click on professional dashboard. I'll click on professional dashboard, scroll down. I will see tools. Go ahead, click on tools. Now scroll down. You're going to see link account, right? Go ahead and click on link account. It has already been linked to your Facebook. Now let's go ahead, look at it here. You can see, right? You can see it has already been connected. I can go ahead to disconnect it, then connect it back to Instagram from here. Let's go back here. So since I've connected my Instagram account, it will enable me to run my promotion in both platform here, to enable me to run both platform. Now let me show you. I can come here, select boost ring. So I can go here and select the particular one I want. Did I want people to be messaging me? I'll just go ahead to select this part and scroll down here and select, look at it here, placement. I can use my product on Facebook and Instagram. It is pretty simple. So after following this step, you'll be able to do this. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can run promotion on your Facebook to Instagram. So it's pretty simple. You can do that as well. I'll be doing that video to show you how you can use your mobile phone through Facebook to run adverts on Instagram or only Facebook. I'll be doing that video. So if you find this video helps, don't forget to hit the button, also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So let me go back and show you how you can connect from your Facebook page to your Instagram. I'll come back here, then scroll down as well, tools, then scroll down here. Let's go back down, link account, then I'll come here, then here I'm going to disconnect totally, also through Instagram. Come here, yes, disconnect, done. Now let's go back. It appears that it's not connected to any Instagram. Now let me connect it back from here. Go ahead, click here, then continue. So I'll have to enter the information I have on my Instagram, be it my phone number, username, or email. I'll go ahead and put in the username. Now put in the password for it. Your password on it, just go ahead and click on login. Now remember that we created a code for this, so I'll just go back to that code here, then copy this code here. So the reason for this code is for secure accounts when you are running promotion, so that is why Facebook is making this compulsory. Then I'll click on confirm. After pasting it, I'll go ahead to click on save login, then save info, then save info. You see, so it now say login to Facebook interface using, so here I'll just go ahead and say login to enable full access. Then look at it, then I'll just go ahead and click on continue. Now you can see Instagram connected. I've connected this successfully, then click OK. We ensure that this thing is enabled, right? So what this means is if I'm posting on Facebook, I'll be able to share my post through Instagram directly instead of me posting on Facebook now going back to post on Instagram as well. So with this enabled, it will enable me whenever I'm posting on Facebook, it will post directly to Instagram. If I'm posting on Instagram, it will directly come to Facebook. So both of them is the reason why you need to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram. Now I'll go ahead and click enabled, right? So then click on confirm. It has been connected. connected, be it Instagram or Facebook to connect to Instagram or Instagram to connect to Facebook. So I want to see your response on the comment section. Let me know which one is more easier connect for the both accounts. So this is how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page or your Facebook page to your Instagram. So with this, you have other access to it. So that is how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram, and you are good to go to start advertising your products, reach wider audience. And if you want to know how to switch your Instagram personal account to your Instagram business account, I've leave a link in this video description. You can also click on it. Watch how to switch your personal Instagram account to Instagram business account. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button and leave a comment in the comment section to enable YouTube to recommend these videos for others. And also you can share with your friends and relatives so that people will have to watch and learn how to connect Facebook page to the Instagram account. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.